Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining the Placentia Library District today for Green Up Your Cleanup. My name's Michelle, and I'm a librarian here at the library. And I am super excited to share with you these easy recipes on how to make natural cleaning products for your home. Spring is in the air. We are all excited to have our homes sparkle and let the sun shine and the clean air in. So let's make some cleaning products to help with that. So we provided some supplies for you, and I'm going to share how to make them. But I also want to take a few minutes to share about why green cleaning is important for you and your home, not to mention your wallet. Well, natural cleaning products are safer for the environment. In fact, the EPA recommends that we use biodegradable, non-toxic, low-end volatile organic compounds. What is a volatile compound, you may be asking? Well, they can be found in products like glycol ethers, hydrocarbons, chlorinates, and many more. And ingredients such as these are found in everyday products that you find in the grocery store, and these chemicals are released into the air. And they've been associated with asthma, eczema, just to name a couple of health concerns. Natural cleaning products are also better for you because they're gentler on the skin and they contain fewer allergens. I'm going to list some ingredients right now that you may want to watch for when you're purchasing cleaning products at the store. You want to try and stay away from perfumes and synthetic fragrances, ammonia, soy, gluten, caustics, formaldehyde, chlorine, bleach, dyes, and sulfates, because these can all trigger respiratory or sinus irritation. You will also make your home safer. In fact, according to the National Poison Control Center annual report, cleaning supplies are among the top 5 substance classes that account to phone calls made to their hotline. So they really are not good for you. Now let's talk about some ways that you can clean your house and also build a supply of green cleaning products. How can you vacuum greener, you may be wondering? Well, you want to have a vacuum with a HEPA filter. And this type of filter is the best to keep dust and harmful chemicals out of the air that you breathe. HEPA stands for high efficiency particulate air and filter, and it forces the air through a fine mesh. And this mesh is what traps the pollen and the dust mites inside. And so this type of filter cuts down on any dust that rises up when you vacuum. So then you're not breathing it in, which is good for your respiratory system. How can you mop greener, you may be wondering? Well, use a reusable mop rather than those little pads that you can purchase at the store. I know they're super easy, but by using a reusable mop, you'll cut down on trash and you'll also save money because those pads can be very expensive. So you want a reusable mop and you want a spray bottle filled with a little bit of cleaning supplies, and you just spray and mop as you go. How can you deodorize your house without using those fancy plug-ins or spray bottles? Well, we all know that baking soda is great inside the refrigerator, but guess what? You can use it elsewhere in your house too. You just mix a tablespoon of baking soda and 5 to 6 drops of whatever essential oil you like in a bowl, and you leave it in a room. And there you go. It will freshen the air in your house. You can also put a 1/2 inch of vinegar in a bowl and leave it in a room, and that will help with odors that can be found in the carpet, furniture, and rugs. So, if you have pets, that's a really helpful tip. Now, let's talk about how to build a supply of ingredients so that you can make your green cleaning products whenever you want. A basic supply that you can have on hand that you might already have are white vinegar, baking soda, borax, citrus fruit, and empty spray bottles. Microfiber cloths, old t-shirts can be used instead of paper towels. And if you want to amp up your supplies, you can include hydrogen peroxide, cornstarch, Castile soap, tea tree oil, and other essential oils you might want to use for scent. With these basic ingredients and other sources listed in our bibliography that I'll talk about in just a minute, you're going to be ready for any cleaning project. All right, now everybody get your brown paper bag and we are going to start making our first kit. So inside your bag, you will have these wonderful papers stapled together. The first is what this kit includes. And this lists everything that the library has provided. You will need to provide some water. So read through the recipes and get your water ready and let's get going. You also have your recipe page for you to read through. And then here is your bibliography. And this bibliography has some really great resources for you. You will have things on Hoopla and Overdrive if you want to do digital reading, or if you want to come on into the library, come on in. We've got some great print books available as well. And some of these books are about not just house cleaning, but cleaning your skin. So anyway, I've also listed digital magazines that you can read too. So have fun with these resources. All right, let's get ready. And we are going to make our first kit, which is our kitchen cleaner. And so get everything out with your green dot on. We color coded everything. So green, 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 a spray bottle. All right, so you should have distilled white vinegar, a half a cup of water, and your essential oils. And then a spray bottle. Ooh, you might need some scissors. Luckily, I'm in the hangar and I have access to lots of good things. So open up my spray bottle, put my thing in. All right. Now this kitchen cleaner, you can spray directly onto any surface or a kitchen towel and then just wipe it up to clean. So first we're going to pour our vinegar in. All right, then I'm going to add our half a cup of water. And then my essential oils. This is the grapefruit one. All right, now we've got everything in. And we're going to shake. And you're ready to clean your kitchen. You might want to give it a little quick spray. And it smells pretty good. All right. Now we are ready to move on to our daily shower spray. So now you want everything with your red dot. All right, so open your next spray bottle. So you should have your 1 cup of distilled vinegar, your teaspoon of liquid dish soap, which is Castile based, or not Castile based, sorry, and your 10 drops of tea tree oil. All right. Now, a daily spritz of this homemade shower spray is going to keep any soap buildup and mildew away. So every time you take a shower, just spritz it around and you will be good to go. All right, so let's start by opening up our vinegar. Good old white vinegar. It's good for so many things, not just salad dressings. And go ahead and slowly pour it in. Okay, there we go. All right, get your next ingredient, and it doesn't matter if you do your dish soap first. All right, or your tea tree oil. There we go. Got my dish soap. All right. And we give it a good shake. And you can see it's all nice and bubbly. And you are ready to go. The other thing you might want to do is have a Sharpie on hand so that you can go ahead and write it down what you're making. I'm going to set mine in a row as to what order I've made them in and use my Sharpie and write on them later. All right, we are now ready to make our natural glass cleaner. So you want your blue items. All right, I opened my next container, put my little straw in. All right, now you want your 3/4 cups of water. And carefully pour that into your bottle. See how easy this all is? All right, now I need the rest of my ingredients, which was what was left in our bag. All right, I'm going to take my rubbing alcohol, put that in, and then my cornstarch, not just a gravy thickener, and then my vinegar. All right. And we will shake this one up. And this one will be easy to tell the difference between the other two because of the cornstarch. And you can use newspaper or old terry cloths to wipe down your mirrors or your windows after you've sprayed. That way, you're not creating more trash by using paper towels. And this glass cleaner is going to give you a wonderful, sparkly, clean window or mirror. Well, you have now built 3 kits, so you have a great arsenal for greening up your personal cleanup. And I just want to thank you so much for joining me today for this video. I really hope you enjoy your new cleaning supplies. And please look for an email from me. I'm going to be sending you a link so that you can complete a survey. It'll just take a couple minutes. And I really appreciate you doing the surveys because your feedback is very important to me and to the library. We take your suggestions very seriously, and your feedback really helps us build better programs. Thank you so much for being a Placentia Library patron, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!